Hey, welcome everybody, Mr. On Demand, man with the master plan. My master plan today is to help you get some free games. It came to my attention that a lot of people don't know about some of the places out there that you can actually grab some free games. So I'm gonna, start letting you know about these games. There's a $60 game that's free right now, and I think it's pretty darn good. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trailer of this thing and see what it looks like. This is Epic Games, and if you don't have a subscription, you might want to subscribe. It's free, and sign up to it and go ahead and grab this game, and it won't cost you anything, nothing at all. Then you can download and install this game on your computer and play it. The graphics are incredible. I like the game. Whether or not you like the game, that's fine if you don't like it. A lot of people like different movies, different TV shows, different video games. We all have our own different tastes out there. So if this is something that's not up your alley, that's absolutely fine. But they do have different games come free on this platform all the time. So you definitely want to always take a look at what's available on the platform for free. For instance, right now, there's even another game called OGU and the Secret Forest. Now, this might be a better game for some people. I don't know about this game at all. I have not played this game, but if we click on it, maybe we'll see a trailer here. E for Everyone. This is probably more of a kids type of game or lower graphics. I'm not sure, but my point is that there's different games available on here all the time. So you can go ahead. 2 Point Hospital is another game coming up that you'll be able to get, and it constantly changes. So you've got about 4 or 5 days left to grab this, and you can't. It's not that you can only play it for the next 4 or 5 days. Once you grab it, it's yours, and you can pretty much play it, download it, and install it whenever you want. I've got a huge catalog of games getting them this way in Epic Games, and I've gotten some absolutely terrific titles for free, including Grand Theft Auto 5, which actually was free on here at one point. So there are big name games that come on here for free that you know, it's well worth the free sign up and just to go in and grab these games, and then you can, have some fun. Hopefully, this was entertaining and was helpful to you. If it was, please let me know down below. Hit a like, subscribe, and to the channel for more great information like this. And I'll keep coming back with more info that hopefully will help you out. If this didn't, the next video might. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. And as always, stick with me and get it for free.